Hello, my name's Dale Richards. I'm down here in San Antonio with Tom and his EL group, and we talked about finance today. And Parker, this was your first meeting.
It was, yes.
Did you have fun today?
I did.
Well, tell them what you enjoyed about today's session.
Sure. Papa Dale taught us about contribution margins, graphical interpretations, corporate life insurance,
Corporate life
which was something I never knew existed.
Okay, this is good. So you found out a bunch of stuff that you didn't know before about
I did.
Was
Yes.
finance fun today?
It was. It was
Okay,
the most
it
fun
was
I've ever
fun.
had doing finance.
Now I'm going to be serious, okay? I want you to know that being a member of a Vistage group is the most important decision you will ever make in your life, besides your marriage or kids or something like that. But I'm telling you personally and from a business, Vistage is by far the best. As a chair, during my 8 years, my members increased the value of their company anywhere from 10 to 500%. I recommend that you find a Vistage group in your area and join Parker's his first meeting and look at what he learned. Anyway, welcome to Vistage. I hope that you'll find a group and have some fun. Dale Richards signing off after 500 presentations at Vistage. Here I am in San Antonio. Thank you.